Right, here's your little vibration device. I'd say it's just over an inch. About an inch and a quarter, say. And there's the little sensor which senses the bark. You've got your charging port there. This is the on-off button, so I'll switch it on. That's come on. You get the collar and the charging lead. So now I'm going to try this on my neck and make a dog barking sound to see what this feels like, because I want to make sure that this is okay before putting it on my dog. If I'm not comfortable with it, then I don't want them being uncomfortable with it. So here goes. Woof! 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 Yeah, that feels fine. I did have it on setting 2, so I didn't have it on too strong. This one, I think you go up a level. Level 3, level 4, level 5, and goes back to 1. But 2, there's settings where you just have the sound. You can have just the vibrate, or you can have both together, just depending on how bad your dog is with the barking.